Hello everyone, in the last video we saw how we can create a Microsoft 365 developer account and we had successfully created the developer account. So in today's video we will be seeing how we will be creating a developer sandbox environment. So for that you will have to sign into this developer.microsoft.com, and once you are signed up you will see this page wherein you will be asked to join now. So there are two things. Whenever you will click on join now, if you have already created the sandbox environment, it will directly take you to the dashboard page and it will show you the subscriptions. And if you have not created any sandbox environment yet, and whenever you click on join now, you will be given some steps to create the sandbox environment. So I have already created the sandbox environment. So I will be clicking here and I will be showing you that it will redirect me to the dashboard. And as you can see, I am already having my developer account here, and I am already having my subscriptions here. Okay, so it has not given me steps to create the account. So I will show you what will happen when you do not have any sandbox environment created. So when you click on join now, you will be getting this screen, okay, to set up your Microsoft 365 E5 Sandbox account. So you will have to choose your sandbox, like instance sandbox or configurable sandbox. So in configurable sandbox, you will have to configure everything from scratch, and it might take up to 2 days for your sandbox to be fully created and provisioned by Microsoft. But if you click on sandbox, instance sandbox, then it will include everything. It will include 16 test users for you. Among them, the one will be admin user and others will be test users. Okay, you can configure them as per your needs. You don't have to manually go and create any users. You will get some data as well for Microsoft Graph, SharePoint, Office, Ads development. All these things you will get pre-built or pre-configured into this sandbox account. So select your sandbox and then click on next. Then it will ask you for some details like the country for your data center. So where your data center you want to be, for example North America. Then it will ask you for your username. So you can give any username like digital_voyager, something like that. Then you will have to create admin password, and remember, once you create this password will be set automatically to all your other. So for example, this is your admin username, so this one user will be your admin user and the rest 15 users will be your test users. So the password that you will give here will be applicable to all the test users as well. So all the users in this sandbox environment will be having the same password that you enter here, until and unless you change their password. Okay, you can also alternatively set password for all 16 fictitious users. So if you want to keep your admin password separate and if you want to keep your test users password separate, then you can do that as well. So once you fill all this information, you can click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will have to enter your phone number for security purposes. So you have to enter your phone number, you have to send the code, and once you verify the code, then your verification is done, and then you will be able to see your subscription here. So it will go to the dashboard and it will show you the subscriptions here. So this is the way you will have to create your sandbox account, and you will not be able to create this sandbox account if you do not have any Visual Studio subscription. Okay, so you need Visual Studio subscription to create this sandbox account. I had created the Microsoft 365 developer program account by using my personal Gmail account, but there I didn't got the option to create the sandbox environment. Let me show you the steps that I had taken. So I will sign in with different user. I will sign. So as you can see, I have signed in with my personal account here. So this is my personal account, and if I click on join now, you can see here that thank you for joining. You don't currently qualify for a Microsoft 365 developer program sandbox subscription. So I think you will need to have a Visual Studio subscription that you will link to your sandbox environment, and then you will be able to create a sandbox environment. So if you are working on a project, internal project in your organization, and if you have a Visual Studio subscription in your organization, then you can create the developer account with your organization email address, that is your work email address, and then you will be easily able to create the subscription as I shown in the previous steps. So this is the way that you can create the sandbox environment, and then you can do whatever things or whatever project or POCs that you are going to do. So if you understood the information in this video, please don't forget to like the video and please subscribe to the channel, because it shows me that if you are interested in my videos, and I am able to help you by creating content, so it will motivate me further to make more videos. So please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep voyaging in this digital world. Thank you.